Mr Tumble.
Oh, hello!
How's your spring cleaning coming along?
Oh, very well, thank you. I'm just having a little dust while I wait for Aunt Polly.
Mr Tumble! That was close. Yippee!
Bless you, Aunt Polly. Oh, I'm sorry.
Could you put this leod in the washing machine, please?
Okay. Right. Oh, da-da-da-da. Here we go. Now, how much powder do I need to put into the machine? I think I know.
Don't put too much in, Mr Tumble.
Okay, just a little bit more.
Mr Tumble!
Perfect. There we go.
Oops.
Ahem.
Hello, Aunt Polly.
Aunt Polly wants you to help her make the bed, Mr Tumble.
Oh, right.
1,
2, 3.
Oh, bye.
Sorry, Aunt Polly.
Whoops, Mr Tumble.
Oh, I'm tired.
Oh dear.
Mr Tumble!
Hey! Coming up, Polly!
Bubbles.
Oh,
Be careful, Mr Tumble.
well, there's lots of bubbles everywhere!
Mr Tumble, did you put too much washing powder in the washing machine? I mean, look, my clothes have shrunk.
Maybe.
Well, maybe these bubbles will be useful after all.
Really? How?
Because you can clean the floor with them.
Okay.
While I have a well-deserved rest.
Bye, Aunt Polly.
Before we go, Mr Tumble, please could you show us the sign for spring?
Okay. Spring. You sign. Spring. Oh, very good. Hello. Thank you for watching. Click here to continue to watch my videos. Woohoo!